Hi. My name is Jole and I'm here opening a box from Paper, Pen and Plan. So, where have you cut?
There you go, sweetheart.
That's it. So, there's all of these circles and things. That's what there are.
What's the box called? Just here.
It's Candy Cane Rain. This is called Candy Cane Rain box. Open that.
There you go.
Thanks. So
What's inside?
These things. Flakes.
Let's see. We've got snowflake
Rings.
stencil and a spray bottle.
Spray bottle. And
Do you want to go through all them cards? Lots of Christmassy cards.
cards. Reindeer card.
Jole needs to do
And
them here.
Christmas card and everything that I have.
Wow.
This candy thing. Dodo.
What's in there?
More Christmassy cards.
Let's have a look at them then. That one's got embossing on it. We've got some trees. Excuse my nails. Some writing. Okay.
This one. Canes.
Candy canes.
This is a Christmas bag.
Christmas bag.
Snowflake badge. Or keyring.
Paper clip. They're pretty.
Can I wear this? So
It's a paper clip one, sweetheart.
Is it? Oh yeah. That's a bit soft.
Oh, you need to go further that way. There you go. Now you're in the camera. So they're lovely.
It just fits in your hair.
Does it? It's a paper clip. It might go in your hair. You never know. You're going to have a look, see what else there is.
Yeah. A lollipop.
A lollipop.
What's in this packet?
Have you got glitter on your sleeve? Is that glitter?
It's a little bit.
A little bit of glitter. That's it. Move that way. There you go.
This is my snowballs.
Some snowball pom-poms. And there's... Should we open it up? Do you want to open that up? Let's put it there for now.
Okay.
What's that? Some die cuts. And that's a plastic page.
That's a plastic page. That's a little paper mat.
Yeah, it's a red doily. You trying to put that bow in your hair again? There we go. So you've got some pom-pom trim and some red and white candy cane coloured string and some what's on this? Snowflakes. And what's that? Do you know what that is? Do you know what this is?
Stocking.
Yeah, stocking.
Just open it by ripping it.
Uh-huh.
I get it. Whoa!
There we go.
Whoa!
What have you got there? Some big, beautiful pieces of paper.
Big, beautiful pieces.
These are stickers.
They're stickers.
They're stickers. You've got some lovely papers there to use for your Christmas crafts. But at the moment, you're most bothered about just playing with this one piece of twine, aren't you?
One piece of twine.
Mhm. So you've got lots of lovely goodies there, haven't you? Let's put them all back on here so we can see them all. Wow. What a lot of lovely things. What are you going to make with those, Joel?
Christmas crafting. I hope you like my video. If you did, just give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, please.
You're going to say bye-bye then? And then you can play with it all. Say bye-bye then.
Bye.
Wave.
Bye.